What's up guys, Scott here with Wandering the Wilderness, and I have a quick product to bring to your attention, and this is the CVLIFE WILDHAWK X. So this is a solar red dot that also has battery. So we're just going to do a quick unboxing and take a look at that. Alright, so this is everything that comes in the box when you buy this WILDHAWK X. Alright, so we have our cleaning cloth, our instructions, and inside we'll go ahead and take a look where the optic would be, the red dot. It does have this hard plastic cover if you want to protect your lens, say if you're not using it, or even if you're storing it to prevent the red dot from getting dust and everything all over the optic. So if you take a look here, we have a full solar type panel. And then on this side where we would slide our battery in, this kind of solar panel is going to kind of keep that charged and for that red dot. And then we have an RMR footprint. If we take a look on the bottom, see right here for your 2 pins and right here for your screws. And the plus and minus for adjusting brightness or picking whatever that reticle is that you would like inside your optic. Alright. It also comes with a variety of different screws to where you could use it on a variety of different weapons that have the RMR footprint. Comes with the tools that you will need to mount it, and looks like it comes with 2 batteries. So in case you burn one up, you have a spare, or you can store that into your pistol grip. It also comes with the GL MOS adapter. So if you wanted to put this on a GL for the MOS platform to switch it over from the RMR. And then it also has the high-rise pick rail platform. So say you want to put this on some type of PCC and you have a high-rise with your flip-up sights. You can have a co-witness, and you can use this red dot in line with your flip-up sights. And then it also, being high-rise, it does have the pass-through. Alright, so what I'm going to do is we're going to put the batteries in this and just take a look at the reticle. Alright guys, so I got the batteries in the optic now, and you should be able to see that red dot. And with the buttons over on the side, we can change the brightness of that red dot, and it has a variety of different settings. It also has shake away, so when you set the thing down for a period of time, it will automatically go off to save the battery, but then when it senses motion, it will automatically kick back on. Alright, so it has a variety of settings. As you see, it just went to a smaller dot, and I can increase brightness, and that's by just holding that plus button. I'm changing the size of that red dot, and then the up and down, I'm just increasing that brightness. Alright, so there's a look at that. Alright, so this is a PSA dagger, and it has the RMR footprint. You see the 2 pins right here and the 2 areas for screws, and you could line this up right here and place the screws in place if you wanted to use it on the RMR on a pistol format to use as a optic, or if you wanted to use it on something like a PCC, you could attach it to the 2 screws on this platform so you could get the co-witness, and you could use it on a pick rail setup like this. Now obviously I don't have the screws in place in this. I was just setting it in here for demonstration purposes, but you know, it works perfectly on something that has a pick rail as well as the RMR. It is shock proof, it is waterproof, has the solar panel for recharging, so this could be a really good option for a optic for something that you might be looking for. So if this is something you are interested in, I'm going to leave that link in the description box below. Again, this is the CVLIFE WILDHAWK series. This is the X Solar Red Dot. So again, if this is something you guys are looking for, that link will be in the description. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless.